Alright, mate. Doing like that, yeah?
Give me the signal.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Oh, cool.
It's alright. Fine, mate.
Cool.
Fine, dude.
Yeah.
It was crosswind as well there.
You have to let me up now.
No, it's crosswind there. It's horrible.
Yeah, you will, aren't you?
This is the early.
The alien.
UFO, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's a flying cross, isn't it?
That's how I like, mate. I like that.
Look at the wind. Look. Whoa!
Here he is.
There he is. Danny man. It's well windy, look. Whoa.
Nice watching it. Right enough to do it.
Everyone says that, don't they, Paul?
Yeah.
Whoa. Crazy wind.
Wind catching it a bit.
Whoa, it's all over the shop.
Come back.
Come back. Freak out the taxi.
It's alright, mate. That'll be gone.
Oh, I didn't know which way it was facing then.
I'll have a little look for these when I get home later.
What's that?
When I look at the claims, I'm going to buy one or two or three.
Come down to
Buy
Adam
one.
teacher.
Which one are you going to start with then?
I'll start with one like this one.
You have to build it though, man. Do you want me to build it for you? You can't buy these all built.
Say yes.
You,
No, I want to build it.
you just get eight pieces of foam and some bits. I can show you the website, and then you get like a package that comes with the motor,
I got a helicopter.
a battery,
You know,
servos, everything.
I've got a helicopter about as big as that.
Fine,
About
then I got
200.
200 drawings more today.
Sorry?
You got one? Two on.
What's that? Yeah, can do.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, no worries.
My man.
Yeah, cool, man.
Of course. I would like to buy more.
Doesn't matter, you know, what you
Next
want.
time.
Yeah.
Right over there.
Calm down, it's too windy, man. Look at it. Wind, I've got no control.
Close, man, close. Don't take risk, man.
Not over them. Right.
Go on him.
Flood.
Go on the Denny.
Look how windy it is. Look. Whoa! That's horrible. Full time.
Just take over there, hover it in front of him.
It would be.
And bring her back.
Yeah.
Fucking awesome.
With zero wind,
Don't
Yeah.
take it too high. Keep it back there.
it's easier said than done, Dan. Like last night, you can mess around and put it where you want. Tonight, it's like, really? It's just keeping it in the air. You go too low, man, you're going to get slam dunked by this wind.
No, don't crash, bruv.
Nah.
Right, I've got to go, mate. I've got to go and take her driving.
Alright, dude, nice one, mate.
Forecast
Come here,
is
brother.
finished.
Take care, man.
Nice to meet you
Good to
guys.
see you.
See you later, Paul.
See you later, mate. Good
Nice
to meet
one,
you.
mate.
See you, brother.
nice
Enjoy
to
the
meet-
rest of your
Yeah.
time
Nice to
in
meet you
Harwich.
too.
Yeah.
Probably see you again sometime.
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
have one of these next time.
Yeah, go for it. Get a nice, come down on a nice day, no wind, we'll all get up flying.
Lovely. Nothing better.
Nothing.
Yeah, I think forecast was tomorrow's pretty shit, mate.
Yeah, I think it's
Rain and wind.
bitty crap.
We're getting rain tomorrow, I think we are, aren't we?
Yeah.
Saturday, but Sunday afternoon at the moment.
Yeah. Maybe Sunday. We'll have a look.
Next week might
Might
warm
even go
up.
to the club Sunday afternoon.
Yeah.
Might be busy down here. It gets busy down here during the day, doesn't it?
Does. Yeah, I might forget about the club, you know. I haven't been down there for a while.
We daughter, look, dead on 8. Where are you?
Teaching her to drive, man. What do you
Children.
expect?
Your LED is really
Nice one, dude. Take care, mate.
bright. Your LED is as bright as them floods, really.
Oh, Brian.
Them LED lights are amazing.
They're good, aren't they?
No. Really? What was you doing?
Talking to his missus.
No, I ain't got
On
one.
Facebook.
Oh.
Ain't got me.
He was busy with my phone. I'm telling you. I don't want to see that anymore.
I need the phone.
I just told you. I'm not gonna
I need the phone to film this. Give me the phone. Come on, let me film it because
I
I'm
don't know
good.
if you have any space anymore.
We might have a little bit. to get-
Millions photos, bro. Adam,
Yeah.
3 millions. Photos, 3 millions.
No way.
2 millions,
finished.
2
Yeah, I wasn't
millions,
finished.
2.5 millions belong to him. 2.5 millions belong to this poor man here.
Oh.
How do I get the camera?
You know.
Right, bring it in close so I can get some good footage.
You can try. Take some photos. I ain't got long left flight time.
Easy.
Coming.
Not photos, video.
Yeah, it's
what
coming.
you want? Come on. Oh. You get it. You got it, huh? Come on.
Bring it down to ground level.
Listen to him, bro.
I know, mate.
Make sure you record the mic. Then. Awesome.
Running out of power.
Yeah.
You have to land it now, Dan. Really?
Yeah. Go. Go. Go.
No, catching it. You know, it's too windy tonight. I'd say yes. It'll just get blown. I've just got. It's one of them. I've just got to plop it on the floor, man. Ready? Coming in. Nice
Come
and
on.
they're gentle. She's on the floor. Hey.
Hey.
Here she is.